Our HealthyBar concept includes Vermion products such as purees, juices, and syrups, which are made of high-quality ingredients that we can use in an unlimited combinations for your bar. For example, we can use purees, syrups, and juices to make cocktails, non-alcoholic cocktails, smoothies, slushies, and juices in almost unlimited combinations. All of our purees are made of high-quality ingredients with a minimum of 65% fruit. They have high consistency, which can be used in cocktails and smoothies and slushies. When we make cocktails or smoothies with them, the color doesn't separate and the flavor stays the same. It's high consistency and it's pH balanced, so we can use them for cocktails and smoothies. Yeah, this is mandarin, which is a flavor that you cannot see everywhere. The other one is dragon fruit, which you can also not see in every bar. We can highly personalize all the menus and lists for your bar. All of our syrups are made with 20% fruit and herbal ingredients. That means they're high intensity, but they are not as sweet. So for example, when you use syrups in a cocktail, you need to use less than usual. We also have syrups for coffee with ingredients such as vanilla or caramel. We can use all the syrups for coffee and cocktails. We have unique flavors for cocktails such as falernum, amaretto, wild cherry, green apple, and some more unique flavors. You cannot usually find them in the bar. We can use herbal syrups, we can use fruit syrups, or we can also use vegetable syrups such as cucumber, that is going to be our new favorite. All our syrups are made with inverted sugar, which means that the color and texture stays the same, even when we make our cocktail 10 minutes prior. One special segment of our products is 100% premium fruit juice without sugar and without artificial ingredients, made using a complicated method of enhancing the flavor. That means that you need to use half the amount of juice to get better tasting and better flavored cocktails. This is unique in a way that we make it specifically from 100% fruit with enhanced flavor, so you cannot drink this separately. You need to use it in a cocktail or mocktail. Lime, lemon, pink grapefruit, mandarin, green apple, and peach are the flavors that we have that are unique for our market. No one else has these flavors in this way. So for example, if you take lime, which is an ingredient everyone knows, you need to use half the amount of lime to get the same flavor for your cocktail. And it's 100% fruit, which is unique. Green grapefruit is another example of our product that is really highly popular now in the world, using for palomas. So tequila-based drink with pink grapefruit and soda. You don't need to add any sugar, you don't need to add any acid. It's pH balanced, so you just need this product and your alcohol. Our concept is all-in-one solution made for bars, starting with small, simple beach bars, all the way to high volume bars and hotels. We can also provide equipment to fully automate dispensing products.